what is the first programmer did. So having these kind of many ways to perform a one task is a disadvantage of a language. It creates a readability problem. By having minus sign for subtraction and for unary minus, those creates a poor readability on a language. Let's take an example of operator overloading. Plus sign used for addition as well as the concatenation of two strings. Because of the single operator symbol has more than one meaning, it's difficult to read and understand the language. If operator overloading happens, it's a simple, but it's not more readable. And another characteristic we want to measure when comparing readability of a language is orthogonality. When we think about the simplicity of a language, we need to concern about the number of components of the language and about the feature multiplicity of the language and about the operator overloading of the language. By considering these three facts, we can state whether the programming language is more simple or not. When we think about the orthogonality of the programming language, by using separate primitive constructs, we can build one new thing, and that new thing must be simple and easy to understand. By using less number of components, if we could get more number of legal combinations, that's good. One of the languages adhere to the orthogonality principle means independent functions should be controlled by independent mechanisms, which means let all combinations of a small set of primitives be legal, because even a small set of primitives, it leads to a large number of combinations. But too much orthogonality also reduces the simplicity. In ALGOL 68, it's too much of orthogonal. And too much of orthogonality sometimes may cause difficult to code for the compilers to detect. In ALGOL 68, compiler can't detect the construct used in the programming language. So it creates a issue with it creates a difficulties of the compiler to detect the thing which we are using in the given program. So more orthogonal also creates more problems. When we think about the C language, C function can return record, but they can't return arrays. Record can't hold void members or members of their own type. Arrays cannot hold void or functions. Arrays are passed by reference. So because of this reason, C language violates the orthogonality principle. In IBM mainframe computers also, in assembly, when adding two contents of a memory cell to a register, one must take the register first and use a different operation than when adding two registers. That's also violation of orthogonal design. But we have some cases that comply with the orthogonal design of a language. Example is in IBM 650 pseudocode, opposite. Opposite operations are denoted by plus and minus. That's an orthogonal design. But having more orthogonal design and not having orthogonal design, we have to concern about the orthogonal design. We have to restrict for some certain amount of orthogonality, because if we have more orthogonal design of a programming language, it also creates a problem. When we have in less orthogonal design, it also creates for a problem. So we have to concern about the orthogonality design when we thinking about the readability of the language. The next factor we have to think about when we compare about the readability of a language, data types and structures. By having data types and control structures, we can measure whether the programming language is more readable or not. Control structures means who control the flow of the program, such as for loop, while loops, if else statements, go to statements, switch statements. C language has go-to statements. Fortran also has go-to structure. All the for loop, while loops are controlled by the go-to statements in Fortran. Control structures of go-to statement is okay when we have small number of lines of code. It's not good for lengthy coding. That decrease the readability of the program. If we have clear control structures in a language, it's good. It improves the readability. But when we have in weak control structures, it's a problem. Lack of control structures also lead to the poor readability. By having while loop, for loop like hierarchical structures in a language like Algol, Java, we can get the idea of the code. It's more readable than having go-to statements in a program. A program that can be read from top to bottom is much more easier to understand than a program that requires the reader to jump from one statement to another non-adjacent statement. And another characteristic we need to measure of a language to determine whether it readable or not is data types and structures. Many data structures means the language is much more readable language, most probably. But data structures in Fortran is arrays. But arrays in Fortran can only support for 3 dimensions. They can't perform multidimensional operations in arrays in Fortran. But Algol arrays, they can perform multidimensional array operations. Most of the modern languages has many data structures such as arrays, stacks, queues, linked list. So those modern languages like Java, C++ are rich in readability. To make a language more readable, we need to adequate data types and data structures. In Fortran, they doesn't provide many data types. Fortran has only integer data type. Character strings also stored in integer data type. In Java language, support for Boolean. In C language, support for bool. But bool is very weakly typed, not strong as Boolean data types. If we take an example, timeout equal to 1, timeout equal to true, this variable timeout do the same thing. But more readable and understandable thing is timeout equal to true. So having strong many data types, it increases the readability of the language. When we think about a language which has too many data types and structures, it's also not good for better readability. Two programmers can use 2 data types to the same variable. That causes to the problem. So it's complex to understand the code. So having many data types and data structures in a language also leads to the poor readability. So finally we can tell, to evaluate a given language, we need to check simplicity, orthogonality, data types and structures, control statements. By having function names and variable names near English world, these open L table, setup fields, field records, list, fields, items, those kind of more English-like variables and function names, we can say that the source code written in that language is easy to maintain. Maintainability means what?